The all-new 2026 Honda CR-V has finally arrived, and it's rewriting the rules for what a compact SUV can be. Sleeker, smarter, and stronger than ever before, this SUV blends futuristic technology with the reliability that has made the CR-V a global favorite for decades. As you look at it from the outside, the first thing that grabs your attention is the bold, athletic stance. Honda has given the 2026 CR-V a more sculpted front fascia with an aggressive grille and slimmer LED headlights that slice through the air. The signature daytime running lights have been redesigned, giving the car a confident, modern identity that feels premium and ready for any adventure. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, stretching along its aerodynamic frame, while the new 19-inch alloy wheels add to its presence on the road. From every angle, the CR-V looks more refined, and this redesign is clearly meant to make a statement. Step closer, and you'll notice the attention to detail, chrome accents that subtly enhance the edges, a wider stance that gives it a commanding presence, and a sleek rear design featuring sharper LED taillights and a sportier bumper. The tailgate now comes with hands-free power access, making loading your groceries or luggage a breeze. And for 2026, Honda introduces new exterior colors like Sonic Gray Pearl and Radiant Red Metallic, making sure your CR-V stands out wherever you go. Inside, the cabin feels like a complete upgrade in both comfort and technology. The moment you sit down, you're greeted by soft touch materials, refined stitching, and an ergonomic design that feels premium. The dashboard layout is simple yet elegant, dominated by a new 10.2-inch digital driver display and a large 12.3-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports for front and rear passengers. Honda has clearly focused on user experience, making every control intuitive and within reach. The seats are more supportive, offering both heating and ventilation options in the higher trims, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and reclining seats, and the cargo space remains one of the best in its class, expandable with a simple fold of the rear seats. Honda also includes clever storage solutions throughout, from hidden compartments to adjustable cargo floors, making the CR-V as practical as it is stylish. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V offers multiple powertrain options, including a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 190 horsepower and a hybrid variant that pushes performance and efficiency to the next level. The hybrid version pairs a 2.0-liter engine with two electric motors, delivering up to 204 horsepower and impressive fuel economy numbers that will appeal to eco-conscious drivers. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless, and the drive is smoother than ever. Honda's real-time AWD system returns, giving drivers better traction and confidence on all terrains. Whether you're cruising through the city or venturing into the mountains, the CR-V feels composed, agile, and responsive. The steering is precise, the suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, and the cabin remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds. Honda has tuned this SUV for a perfect balance of comfort and capability, ensuring that every trip feels enjoyable. When it comes to safety, the 2026 CR-V continues Honda's tradition of excellence. It's equipped with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new traffic jam assist feature. The system now uses improved sensors and cameras for even greater accuracy, helping the car react faster and more intelligently to changing road conditions. Parking is easier too, thanks to a 360-degree camera system and front and rear parking sensors that make tight spaces stress-free. Technology extends beyond safety. The CR-V now supports over-the-air software updates, keeping your SUV up to date with the latest improvements. The voice recognition system has been enhanced, and with available Alexa built-in, you can control smart home devices or get directions using simple voice commands. For music lovers, the 12-speaker Bose premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a concert. On the road, the CR-V feels confident and connected. The hybrid model, in particular, shines with its smooth acceleration and instant torque from the electric motors. Switching between drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, tailors the experience to your mood, while regenerative braking helps conserve energy efficiently. The CR-V is no longer just a family SUV, it's a versatile companion for work, adventure, and everything in between. For those who love outdoor getaways, the towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds in the hybrid model means you can bring your gear without worry. Honda has also improved the chassis rigidity and sound insulation, enhancing ride comfort and reducing vibrations. Every detail, from the quiet cabin to the smart tech, shows how much thought has gone into creating a next-generation SUV experience. The 2026 CR-V is not just an update, it's a leap forward. It embodies everything drivers have always loved about Honda: durability, innovation, and design built to last. Whether you're drawn to its refined looks, high-tech features, or powerful yet efficient performance, the CR-V offers something for everyone. This SUV continues to raise the bar, setting a new standard for what a compact crossover can be. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that's smart, stylish, and ready for the future, the 2026 Honda CR-V might just be the perfect choice. Get ready to experience a new era of Honda innovation, because the CR-V is not just evolving, it's redefining what it means to drive.